What's up, everyone? Tech made easy, and today we're diving into 5 free AI tools that'll absolutely blow your mind. I'm not just talking about slightly useful apps, I mean genuinely impressive, powerful AI that can change the way you work, create, and even think about everyday tasks. We're in an era where artificial intelligence is evolving at a breakneck pace. And while a lot of the super high-end stuff comes with a hefty price tag, there's an incredible amount of innovation happening in the free-to-use space. It's pretty wild. The best part? Every single one of these tools I'm about to show you won't cost you a dime. Seriously, $0, free to get started and use their core amazing features. We're talking powerful, cutting-edge AI, completely free to use, which is pretty wild when you think about the kind of tech we're dealing with here. This isn't just about saving money, it's about accessibility to some seriously impressive capabilities that can genuinely change how you work, create, or even just explore new ideas. It's a level playing field, and that's what makes this so exciting. I've spent some time digging around, testing these out, and I've picked 5 that I think are not only incredibly useful, but also genuinely surprising in what they can do. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill apps. These are tools that can streamline your workflow, spark creativity, and maybe even make you rethink what's possible with AI. We're going to cover a range of applications, from writing and design to video and image generation. So, buckle up, because this is going to be good. Let's get into it. Alright, first up, and it's a big one, is ChatGPT. If you haven't heard of it by now, you've probably been living under a rock, or maybe just avoiding the AI hype train, but its capabilities are undeniable. Think of it as your super intelligent assistant that's ready 24/7, accessible right from your browser. You can throw pretty much any question at it, from complex scientific concepts like quantum entanglement to something as simple as, what are some healthy lunch ideas? And it'll come back with a surprisingly coherent and often very detailed answer. It's like having an encyclopedia, a tutor, and a brainstorming partner all rolled into one, constantly learning and improving its responses based on a massive dataset. But where ChatGPT really shines for a lot of people, myself included, is its ability to generate content. We're talking emails, blog posts, video scripts, yes, even scripts like this one, programming code in various languages, summaries of long articles, creative stories, poems, you name it. You give it a prompt, set the tone. Maybe you want it formal for a business proposal, or casual for a social media post, or even witty if you're feeling adventurous. And it just goes. It's not always perfect, mind you, and you'll definitely want to review and tweak its output, especially for anything important or factual. But as a starting point or a way to overcome that dreaded writer's block, it's incredibly powerful. It can save you hours of staring at a blank page. Beyond just quanda and writing, it's genuinely useful for a whole host of daily tasks. Need to plan an itinerary for a trip, including attractions and travel times? ChatGPT can help. Trying to understand a complicated topic for school or work? Ask it to explain it to you like you're 5. Need to draft a tricky email to your boss or a client? It can give you a solid first draft that you can then personalize. The versatility here is key. And the fact that the base version, GPT 3.5, which is already incredibly capable, is free, makes it an absolute must-try for pretty much everyone. It's fundamentally changing how people interact with information and get things done online. Next up, let's talk design. If you've ever felt intimidated by complex design software like Photoshop or Illustrator, or just needed to whip up a quick graphic for social media, or a presentation without a design degree, Canva has been a go-to for years. It's known for its user-friendly interface and vast library of templates. But now, they've integrated some seriously impressive AI tools that take it to another level. And yes, a lot of this AI goodness is available on their free plan, which is huge. We're talking about features that automate and simplify tasks that used to take ages or require specialized skills, making professional-looking design accessible to absolutely everyone, regardless of their prior experience. So what can you do with Canva AI for free? Well, for starters, there's Magic Write, which is an AI text generator built right into the Canva editor. If you're stuck on a headline or need some descriptive text for your design, it can help you out. Then there's their suite of Magic Media tools, which includes an AI image generator. You can type a text prompt similar to DALL-E, and it will create unique visuals for you, right within your design workflow. They also have AI-powered background removers that are surprisingly good for a free tool, and smart features that can suggest layouts or color palettes based on your content. It's like having a design assistant built right in, offering suggestions and doing some of the heavy lifting. The beauty of Canva AI is how seamlessly these tools are integrated into the already intuitive Canva platform. You don't need to be a tech wizard or watch hours of tutorials to use them effectively. You can create social media posts, presentations, posters, YouTube thumbnails, pretty much any visual content you can think of, faster and easier than ever before. The AI helps you get past that blank canvas fear and achieve polished, stunning graphics even if you're a complete beginner. It's genuinely democratizing design, and that's a big deal for content creators, students, small businesses, and anyone who needs to communicate visually. It's a powerful creative partner. Alright, for all the video creators out there, or anyone who wants to dabble in making videos, this next one is for you. Runway ML. This platform is seriously pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI in video editing and generation, and they offer a free tier that lets you experience some of that cutting-edge magic. It's not just about simple cuts and transitions that you find in basic editors. Runway is about leveraging artificial intelligence for truly creative and sometimes mind-bending video effects and tools that can transform your existing footage or even create entirely new video content from scratch. This is where things get really futuristic. On the free plan, you get access to a suite of what they call AI magic tools, and there's quite a bit to explore. This includes things like text-to-video generation, where you can type a prompt, say, a cinematic shot of a futuristic city at sunset, and it will attempt to generate a short video clip based on that. There's also image-to-video, which can animate static images, adding motion and life to them. And it doesn't stop there. They have tools for things like automatic green screen removal, in-painting or rotoscoping without an actual green screen, motion tracking, and even generating slow-motion footage from standard clips. While the free tier will have limitations, like watermarks on some outputs, resolution caps, or limited generation credits, it's an incredible way to experiment with features that were previously only available in super expensive professional software suites. Imagine being able to quickly generate unique B-roll footage for your videos without having to shoot it yourself, or add complex visual effects without needing to learn intricate software like After Effects. Runway ML is making these advanced techniques more accessible to a much wider audience. Even if you just use it for brainstorming visual ideas, creating short experimental clips for social media, or enhancing small parts of your larger projects, the creative potential it unlocks is huge. For indie creators, students, or those just starting out on a budget, having access to these kinds of AI-powered video tools for free is a massive advantage, allowing you to elevate the production value of your content significantly. Now let's switch gears to something that almost everyone can benefit from, regardless of whether you're a creator or not: polished professional writing. And for that, Grammarly is an absolute king, a true OG in the AI assistant space. While many know it for basic spell check and grammar correction, the AI powering Grammarly, even in its free version, goes much deeper than that. It's an intelligent writing assistant that helps you communicate more effectively, ensuring your text is not just error-free, but also clear, concise, and impactful. It's like having a patient, incredibly knowledgeable editor looking over your shoulder as you type, gently guiding you towards better expression. The free version of Grammarly offers comprehensive checks for grammar, spelling, punctuation, and even conciseness. It'll flag awkward phrasing that might confuse your reader, suggest better word choices to make your sentences more engaging, and help you avoid common mistakes that can undermine your credibility. What's particularly great is how it integrates pretty much everywhere you write. In your browser as an extension, for Gmail, Google Docs, social media, in Microsoft Word and Outlook as an add-in, and even as a keyboard on your phone. This ubiquitous presence means it's constantly working in the background to help you improve, whether you're drafting a professional email, a research paper, a social media update, or even just a casual message to a friend. What's great is how it doesn't just correct you, but often explains the why behind its suggestions. So you actually learn and improve your writing skills over time. It's not just about fixing errors, it's about understanding them. For students looking to improve their essays, professionals aiming for clear business communication, bloggers wanting to engage their audience, or really anyone who writes anything, Grammarly's free tier is an indispensable tool. It removes that nagging anxiety about hitting send or publish on something riddled with typos or grammatical errors, giving you more confidence in your written communication. It's a relatively simple tool on the surface, but the AI behind it is sophisticated and incredibly useful for daily life. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about creating images out of thin air just using text prompts. This is one of the areas of AI that feels like pure magic. For this, we're looking at DALL-E specifically, its free accessibility through integrations like Bing Image Creator from Microsoft, which leverages DALL-E's powerful models. This technology is genuinely one of those wow moments in AI where you see it work and can't help but be impressed. You describe an image you want to see no matter how surreal, specific, or fantastical, and DALL-E attempts to generate it for you. It's like having a direct line to a digital artist who can visualize your thoughts almost instantly. The process is remarkably simple. You navigate to Bing Image Creator or similar DALL-E-powered free platforms, type in a descriptive prompt something like a photorealistic image of a sloth astronaut discovering a giant strawberry on the moon, or a watercolor painting of a library in a forest, and the AI gets to work. Within moments, it typically generates a set of unique images based on your input. Through Bing Image Creator, you usually get a certain number of free boosts for faster generations each day, and then unlimited slower generations after that, which is fantastic for experimentation without hitting a paywall. It's a genuine playground for creativity, allowing you to visualize concepts that would be incredibly difficult, time-consuming, or even impossible to find or create through traditional means. The potential uses are vast and varied. Need a unique custom image for a blog post or presentation slide? Want some visual inspiration for a creative project like a character design or a scene setting, or maybe you just want to see what a symphony of noodles playing tiny violins looks like for fun? DALL-E can deliver, or at least give you a fascinating interpretation. While the results can sometimes be quirky, have odd artifacts, or require careful prompt engineering to get just right, the fundamental ability to generate completely original visuals from text for free is an incredibly powerful tool for content creators, marketers, designers, educators, or simply anyone with an active imagination. It's pushing creative boundaries, and it's incredibly fun to play with. So there you have it, 5 absolutely free AI tools that I genuinely think can blow your mind and offer some serious utility in your daily life or creative endeavors. From ChatGPT and Grammarly to Canva AI, Runway ML, and DALL-E via Bing Image Creator, the power at your fingertips without spending a penny is pretty incredible. I really encourage you to go check these out, play around with them, and see how they can fit into your workflow or spark new creative projects. The barrier to entry has never been lower. What do you think? Are there any on this list that you're already using and loving and have some pro tips for? Or maybe you know of another mind-blowing free AI tool that I missed and think the community should know about. Definitely drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your experiences, and discover some new gems from your suggestions. Let's make that comment section a goldmine of AI resources for everyone. Sharing is caring, especially when it comes to tech this cool. If you found this video helpful or discovered a new tool you're excited to try, do me a solid and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out more than you know and lets me know you want more content like this. And of course, if you want to stay updated on all things tech, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tips, in-depth reviews, and dives into the latest and greatest in the world of AI and beyond. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!